See these things?
I kind of like them.
They look Before we hop into today's content, we do have a video sponsor. And today's video sponsor is Cometeer. So look, I know a lot of you watching this video right now are like me, busybody, always got something going on, staying up late when, you really shouldn't be. And, sometimes you need that little boost, and my personal favorite and go-to is coffee. And let's go ahead and talk about it. When you're on the go, coffee can get very, very expensive for absolutely no reason. But that's exactly why Cometeer is sponsoring today's video, is because there's a solution, it's awesome, and you can do it straight from your home very easily. So check it out. Cometeer is a completely new format of coffee, as it is flash frozen to lock its freshness. I let my capsule melt in the fridge overnight for my iced coffee. And boom. We now have a premium iced coffee right from your home. Oh my God, it's amazing. It's so good. They actually give you the option to pick the blends you want delivered straight to your door monthly. For a limited time, you can get $40 off across your first 2 orders when you use my code and click the link in the description box. Trust me, give it a chance and you'll fall in love with it. I just want to go ahead and thank you so much, Cometeer, for sponsoring today's video, and let's go ahead and get on with it. Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. Really quick, I just want to go ahead and say that we did fall behind schedule a little bit. I got attacked with the vid last week, and it was not a good time whatsoever. And you guys know that August 12th, we were going to be ending the giveaway for the Cervini's hood, which I wasn't able to make that last video on Friday. You guys saw I skipped the upload. So I am going to extend it to tonight. We do have a couple more pieces of clothing left for those of you that want to go ahead and get entered into the giveaway. You can head to 9togrind.shop. We have these awesome socks you guys should definitely grab. I thought people were gonna really like these, but anyway, some embroidered socks, both black and white. We have some shirts left. Obviously got some jet tags, some windbreakers, I think, and some shorts. So if you want a chance to win the fully paid for, delivered straight to your door Cervini's hood for any year Mustang, head to the link in the description. Go make it happen. But other than that, make sure you watch this video in its full entirety. Trying to hop back on schedule just to make sure we can keep this content train pumping. Absolutely loving how Hades is turning out, loving how the content's turning out. It's becoming super fun. And today's video, we do have the one cosmetic modification I have been dying to get. You guys know we went ahead and did the full bolt-on process with the long tubes, the exhaust, the cold air intake, the manifold. You guys can click the card that just popped up to go watch that video. I highly recommend it. It turned out awesome. I know a lot of people were saying, oh, I like the stock headlights better. So we went ahead and did the headlights, and the one thing I really wanted to change, because it was driving me absolutely up a wall, was the completely beaming red tail lights in Hades that I could not stand. So our friends over at Taillights, who helped us with the headlights, went ahead and sent us a little care package that we're going to go ahead and unbox for you all. And another package from our boys over at Taillights. Make sure you guys go check them out. Links in the description, their website, Taillights on Instagram. You can see it's right there on the screen. They've been awesome with this whole Gen 3 build. And it's the little things that really go a long way cosmetic-wise. So between the headlights and taillights, I think it's going to be a pretty nice matchup. But we got this little envelope here. I'm not sure what exactly this is. Oh, look at that. These are the license plate LED upgrades, I believe.
You channeling your inner gods?
I'm getting a headache from hell. What can I say? It's going to really transform the look of Hades. Look how clean that is. Oh, the Euros. The Gen 2 style Euros, believe it or not. And these are my favorite. That's gonna look so good on the black. So this is what we're gonna be throwing in Hades today and getting rid of those super red taillights. So far, I've really been liking the quality of the Morimoto lights. And that's exactly what we have as the taillights and the headlights in Hades. So Morimoto definitely brings a nice aftermarket product. And again, you can find all of these products that I'm showcasing on the channel at Taillights on their website and Instagram. but I have to admit, I like me some Euros. I had them, well, I still have them, and Lucifer, which we'll go look at here in just a second. And just by far, it's my favorite look. I think it just looks so clean. It looks so good. So, and it should be direct plug and play, no cut, no splice. Simple, very simple. And I am going to acknowledge, I know I have done quite a few tail lights on this channel. Like, I get it. But unfortunately, it's just part of the game, part of the build, especially part of sponsored videos. You know, it's something I wanted to run in the car. If a company like Taillights wants to partner with me, you know, I got to do my best to provide for them. So that's why we have to make videos on stuff like this. But I hope you guys understand, and hopefully, you know, if you have a S550, you can kind of just watch this, get a feel for it. And if you like them, you can go ahead and get yourself a pair, and I'll be your test dummy. So let's go get the car, and let's slap these things in. All right, you see these things?
I like them.
They look fucking hideous. This is what I'm thinking, okay? Follow me. Follow me, follow me. Big yes. Let me show you again. Get a little closer on this one, okay? Like, you throw up red in your fucking sheets at night because you just ate too much cereal, and then it's just like boom. Like, you're literally fucking chilling on cloud 9. That's what we're going for. We're going for cloud 9 today. One time I ate
cereal?
so much Fruit Loops, my poop was blue. So that's like too much Captain Crunch, and you're throwing up red, thinking it's.
What?
Just look how sick this looks. This is the compressor box. We have our lines running right there, and we have our little antenna there.
So where does your spare tire go?
We don't have one.
So what happens if you get a flat? You don't know how to change one.
You literally don't know how to make a sandwich, and you were born. So we're gonna go and pull this up.
You have to get like three different. I think I'm funny.
You're far from funny. You're funny looking. Like usual, you should probably have, I think, 3 or 4 of these nuts that come off, and they'll just slide right out. Yep. New harness goes in. Got our gasket. Make sure that seats. Then these. Boom. Oh yeah, so much better. Kind of ruined the surprise as a whole, but at least you guys will be able to see what we're working with. And as far as this badge, I just want to go and say I do have a gloss black one coming, so this chrome badge is gone. But here we go. We have our Euro style taillight on the left with our stock Gen 3 red on the right. This is my favorite angle right here. So if you just look at it from, come over here more. Right there, you can see the nice VMS polished accents bouncing off the exhaust, and the exhaust bouncing off the tail lights, and it kind of wraps in the whole look. So that was my goal. And if you go on the other side, Romina, and show them the red, I just think it's completely out of place.
See, I will disagree because I think the red makes it pop.
You like the red?
Like
it definitely pops. I mean, it's red on black, no doubt about it.
Boom. It is out.
Alright, so I just went ahead and finished this quick little install of our Morimoto Euro style taillights for the S550s from 15 through 21. You know, these things look incredible, and it's the exact look I'm going for on this car. So let's go ahead and close the trunk and give you all a little walk around. Alright, here we go. And there they are. You know, everybody's gonna have a different taste, but that's exactly what I was looking for. I think it looks clean, especially with our side markers down there that are clear as well. I think they match really nicely. So now that we have Hades, Euros installed, I want to go ahead and show you Lucifers, because Taillights, they do offer these as well, and in my opinion, it's a great addition. They truly do make the rear ends look so much better. So with the Lucifer, you can see that S197 Euros are going to be these clear little oval circular things, and then if we look at Hades, it's definitely a lot more to it, a lot brighter. Got the nice tri-bar in white, and then you have like the clear and like accents and stuff. So I love them, and you can find both of these sets at Taillights on their website and Instagram. But yeah, nice little addition to Hades before Mustang Fest, which I'm super stoked about. And we actually have to go ahead and talk one more thing about Mustang Fest. And you know, I'm hoping I see a lot of you guys there. I want to go ahead and just take a quick little second and speak on Mustang Fest, because you guys know in the past with Mustang Weeks, I always brought custom merch specifically for that event, and I want to do the same for Mustang Fest. But the thing is I don't know how many people are actually going to come to Mustang Fest, and how many of my subscribers already went to Mustang Week, because I know taking off like 2 weeks for vacation and stuff to do 2 different Mustang events during the year is kind of ridiculous. So yeah, if you guys are interested in shirts, drop a comment down below. I just have to see, like, you know, how many to roughly bring. Like, that's the part I'm battling right now, is the merch wise. But yeah, other than that, guys, I do greatly apologize for such a boring video. I already know it, but you know, sometimes I just got to go ahead and get something out just so I can stay in the algorithm, because you know, we work hard to get there, and that's how this platform works. And you know, this sickness stuff sucks, dude. Y'all have a blessed rest of your Monday. Go snag some Comet Tea or coffee. You'll absolutely love it. Use my link in the description. And with that, I will catch you all Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. We should have this baby on E85. We're just gonna try it, see what happens. And yeah, hopefully I'm feeling up to it. So with that, y'all take care. But until next time, we'll see you later.